Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best safety glasses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt DPG82-11 Concealer Safety Glass. Top on our list is the DeWalt DPG82-11 Concealer Safety Glass. Made from strong polycarbonate and coated with a hard substance, these goggles will protect your eyes from dust, dirt, 99.9% UVA, UVB, smoke, and glare for a long time. The hard-coated lens is resistant to impact, scratches, fog, fading and will maintain its clarity. It features an elastic headband that properly secures it on the head while soft dual-injected rubber against dust, smoke and debris. Some people have stated that the nose piece tends to ride up when worn together with a respirator. Moving on at number 4, we have the Safety Girl Navigator Safety Glasses. The Navigator safety glasses by Safety Girl consist of clear and long-lasting polycarbonate lens and colorful and flexible frames. It is tolerant to abrasions and scratches and will maintain its appeal for a long time. However, it's not 100% scratch-proof, meaning it will still get damaged when handled poorly. The UV 400 safety glasses are ANSI Z87.1 and CEEN 166 certified and will stop harmful UV rays. Unfortunately, they are most suited for women, especially those with narrow heads, faces. At number 3, we have the DeWalt DPG5511 safety glasses. Keep your eyes safe from harmful objects such as too much light, dirt, dust, ultraviolet by wearing these safety glasses by DeWalt. Made from clear polycarbonate, the impact and scratch-resistant eyepiece will ensure nothing gets into your eyes while stopping any fogginess, mist inside the glasses. It comes with adjustable telescoping temple and a dual-injected cushioned rubber brow for added comfort. Although very comfortable, ergonomic, easy to clean and durable, this eyepiece isn't very effective against smoke or fumes. At number 2, we have the 3M Virtua Protective Safety Glasses. This eyewear by 3M consists of a lightweight frame weighing less than 1 ounce and polycarbonate lens. The clear frame together with lens offer good protection to the eyes while ensuring you are still comfortable. The anti-fog lens filters up to 99.9% of UV, whereas the adjustable frame allows you to find the best position. Merits that make the 3M Virtua among the 10 best safety glasses in 2020 include lightweight, stylish, good protection and adjustable frames, while its demerits are no nose piece and no case. And finally at number 1, we have the Encon Wraparound Veratti safety glasses. Protect your eyes from dust, dirt, wind and flying particles with this pair of safety glasses by Encon. The untainted clear lenses are made from polycarbonate and supported by a translucent blue frame that easily wraps around the head. Suitable for both indoors and outdoor use, the quality glasses are resistant to scratches and impact and protect the eyes from 99.9% UV rays. The semi-rimless curved lens design is very elegant while the adjustable nose piece is soft and comfortable. Although they offer good protection against UVA and UVB, are lightweight, and don't fog easily, this safety glasses aren't very tight and cleaning them is also not very easy. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.